Here's a little boy disabling his sister's iPad. You're the best. Okay, I just wanted to talk a little bit, if I can get it on, about Caitlin McCormick is a DJ on this Hoove radio station. Oh, it's so cool, and tune in. Never mind. I had it playing just a minute ago, but then it quit. Anyway, she's been playing my song, the Cara Manolis song, and the Becky Manolis song, and the Manolis, Al Kersey songs, and anyway, so here it is. So in a second, I'll see if I can get her speaking. That's kind of cool. I missed her, just barely speaking. So she's on Hoove Radio. Hoove stands for Honoring Our Outstanding Veterans Everywhere. And she's on from 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 3 to 5 my time. So congratulations, Caitlin. That's really awesome. Talk to you later. Bye.